Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments, massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats, performance, value, durability, Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.